Good morning, students. I am Miss Amruta. I have prepared a lesson on pronoun of English grammar subject. So let's start. Let us learn the definition of pronoun. Pronoun are those words that are used in the place of nouns. So let's go through some examples. My name is Daniel. I have a car. Here, the person we are talking about is Daniel. But there are two more words that refer to Daniel, which are my and I. My name is Daniel. My refers to Daniel. I have a car. I refers to Daniel. So, the words my and I refer to naming word. So, these words are pronouns. Understood? Next example. John is a good singer. He earns well. Here, the person we are talking about is John, and the other word which used for John is he. He earns well. He means John. John earns well. So, he is a word that is being used in the place of naming word John. So, he is a pronoun. Next example. Birds are sitting on a tree. They are blue in color. What is blue in color? What does they refer to? They refer to birds. So, they is being used in the place of naming word birds. So, they is a pronoun. So kids, the words that are used in the place of naming words, that is nouns, are called pronouns. Got it? We will learn more about them with lots of examples. First, take the look at various pronouns we have. I, me, he, she, herself, you, it, that, they, each, few, many, who, whoever, whose, someone, everybody, etc. Some pronouns are used only for masculine naming words like he, his, himself, him. Some pronouns are used only for feminine naming words like she, her, herself. Some pronouns are used for any of the genders like I, me, you, they, them, us, whose, someone, everybody, those, whoever, etc. Some pronouns are only used for singular naming words. Singular means what? Single person like it, he, she, you, him, her, his. These pronouns refer to only single naming word. And some pronouns are used for plural naming words like they, we, them, those, this. This pronoun refer to many naming words. Now here we have a picture and a sentence is given which is incomplete. Now we have to fill appropriate pronoun in the blank to suit the picture. Dash is playing in the park. So which pronoun according to picture will suit here? The picture is of a boy who is playing in a park. So can we write she is playing in the park? No, because she is a pronoun that can only be used to refer for a feminine noun. He is playing in the park? Yes, we can write he as a boy is playing in the park. Next picture. Dash is raining. Can we write he is raining? No, as he is only used for masculine naming words. She is raining? No, she is only used with feminine naming words. Can we write it is raining? Yes, because it can be used only with non-living things. Understood? Now here we have our next picture. Dash is dancing. The picture is of a girl who is dancing. So we can say they is dancing? No. They is a pronoun which is only used for plural naming words, and we have only single girl here. So we will say she is dancing. Got it? Next picture. Dash are playing cricket. Many boys are playing in the picture. So which pronoun can be used? He are playing cricket? No. We cannot use he, as he is a pronoun that is used with singular naming words. Well, we say they are playing cricket. Yes? Because they are used with plural naming words. Understood? Now here we have our next picture. There are many students in the class and dash are studying. So which pronoun will suit here? We are talking about student, that is plural in naming word. So we will say they are studying. Got it? Now we have some complete sentences. We have to see whether the pronoun used in a sentence is correct or not. John is a very polite boy, so everyone likes her. Is this sentence correct? No. We are talking about John, so we cannot say everyone likes her, as her is a pronoun that is used with feminine naming words, and John is a boy. So we will say John is a very polite boy, so everyone likes him. Yes. Next. Olivia is very pretty. Her dress is very beautiful. Is this sentence correct? Yes. This sentence is correct. The pronoun used for Olivia is her, and it is correct as her is a pronoun that is used for feminine naming words, and Olivia is a name of a girl and it is a feminine naming word. Next, it is a nice party. We are having a lot of fun. Is this sentence correct? Yes, it is correct. Next, we are going to a party. Is this sentence correct? The pronoun used here is we, and we is used for plural, and we are talking about more than one person. So the sentence is correct. So understood, kids? Okay, so we learned so many examples. Now let's do some homework. Here we have a picture, and you will be writing this paragraph in your notebook and circle the pronouns in the given passage. Thank you and have a nice day.